Welcome to Asphodel. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Rachel.
And 今天的 workout is called
Lucky number 8.
幸运的8号. So we have 3 different movements. One is shoulder taps.
And the second movement we have sit-ups. And the last movement is our favorite,
Burpees. Okay, so how do we do it? Shoulder taps. Let's watch Rachel.
Okay, I'll get down for...
She's in the plank position, very strong, okay? Head to toe, straight line. Then she's gonna have right hand touch her left shoulder, left hand touch the right shoulder. That's 1. This is 2. And every time you tap, pretend you have a bowl of soup and you're trying to balance it. The soup doesn't fall or dribble off the side, right? So you have 8 times.
Yep.
The next movement is
sit-ups.
Sit-ups. Okay, get on the floor. The bottom of your feet kiss each other. Then you're gonna lie back. Hands touch the ground and you're gonna use your arms to throw yourself up and touch the top of your toes.
And that's 2.
That's 2. 要8次. Okay, the last movement is burpees. So, eyes on Rachel again. Burpees, you're gonna get on the floor.
Get on the floor.
Chest touch the ground, right? Then you're gonna push up on your feet and clap above your head. That's 1. This is 2. 你要做8次. Ready to show them the first round?
And 3, yes.
Yeah, we're gonna do 1 round with you, okay?
And you can just do it with us. So easy, 8 rounds, and then 8 for each movement.
Exactly. Grab your brother and sister, parents, uncles, aunties at home,
Yep.
and just work
and
out
let's
together.
Work out. Yep.
Okay, first one is
shoulder taps.
shoulder taps. Let's go. You can face each other.
Okay.
Okay, ready? And have fun, guys.